Hey, it's like I never left, right? Welcome back to Writing with Monda. I'm Monda, and this is part 2 of Can I Afford to Self-Publish? And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a few tips, probably like three tips on how to help cut costs in your budget to publish your book. Okay? Let's get into it. All right. Tip number 1. If you don't think you can afford a graphic artist, right, and you're wanting to do this on your own, doing the graphics for yourself, let me put you up on game. Canva. We all have heard of it. We all probably used it for social media posts, but Canva has tons of templates to help you develop a cover, to help you develop marketing material, whatever you may need, Canva. And Canva is free. Or you can pay for their subscription, which is like $100 a year, and you get access to like almost everything. Now, I know you're probably saying, Monda, $100 is a lot. Granted, I get it. Sometimes you don't want to come out of pocket, but depending on what you want, that $100 will save you, a lot of time if you can't afford $100, $200, $300 to pay a graphic artist. You feel me? All right, so that's number 1, Canva. Look into Canva and see if, it's worth using that to develop your book cover or other marketing materials. Number 2, in the last video, I made mention of stock photos. So I was put up on game by one of my clients with using this stock photo site, which is free. Like the photos are completely free. And it's called Unsplash.com. This is not sponsored by them whatsoever, but I do like their website because they have tons and tons of photos that are great quality and they are free. They only ask that if you do use them, maybe shout them out. So I've used them. This is your shout out. What's up, Unsplash? If you want to sponsor another video, sponsor a video, let's talk. I'm gonna put my information down at the bottom. But anyway, so Unsplash.com, they have tons and tons of photos. I've only used them like once, but it's free and it's easy to use. So you can download stock photos from their website to use for your cover, or possibly use, whatever your heart's content as far as your book is concerned. Number three. So I think we were talking about in another video, I think my biggest mistakes as an author and publisher, I'll link it up here. I talked about how you should build a network of people to help guide you through the process, or even help you in the process of publishing or being an author. Check your circle of friends. When I put out my first book, More Than Words, My Life, My Thoughts, My Journey, my circle of friends helped me put that book together. My closest friend from college and high school did my photography. My aunt's aunt, so she's kind of my aunt, but not really. She helped with the editing. The guy that I was seeing at the time did my graphic design and helped me put my book cover together. And it cost me almost little to nothing to do my first book, to produce my first book. So you never know who's in your circle until you talk to them. I understand some of us have this, like, I want to hold all my cards in my chest until I'm ready to get it out. But talk to your inner circle and be like, listen, I don't need you to tell anybody, but I need your help. I know you can do this. I know you can do that. Let's work together to make this happen. You know what I'm saying? So check your circle. You may, your auntie, your cousin, your best friend, someone may have a camera or is good with your iPhone and can get those angles the way you want it, and you don't have to come out of pocket $200, $300 for photography. Now, not until down the road, because one day you're gonna make it and you're gonna be like, posing. But if you're on a budget, do what you gotta do. It's okay. As long as it's good quality and it doesn't look like it was just thrown together. You feel me? So check your circle. You never know who can help you. So that's it for this video. If you have questions, or if you know of some tips like to help other people cut the cost to reduce, cut the cost for their budget, or cut the cost in their budget to produce their book and get their book out, drop it in the comments. Let's discuss. Let's have a conversation about it. Because the purpose of this channel is to help you self-publish and help you to get over your fear of getting your project out, because I want to see you win, because it's enough out here for everybody, you feel me? So anyway, it was great seeing you again, and I can't wait to see you in part 3. Can I afford to self-publish? Yes, you can, girl. We gonna do it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.